Manifest Session 4, Social and Emotional Dimensions of Reformatting. Social ties activate the nervous grid's polyvagal pathways. These pathways govern feelings of safety and your capacity for engagement. Positive encounters trigger calming signals that soothe the grid and support emotional stability. In contrast, prolonged loneliness disrupts this process, strengthening troubled patterns that surface as physical tension and mental fog. Acts of compassion for ourselves and others promote a kinder internal conversation. This gentle dialogue quiets the brain and its critical voices. Such practices lower the alarm of our threat responses, allowing for deeper processing and encouraging new growth-focused pathways within the nervous grid. Using the voice through humming, chanting, or singing directly engages the grid's sensory and motor center. These activities stimulate the vagus nerve, increasing calming reflexes and releasing endorphins. This creates a biochemical setting that supports renewal. Shared group practices using breath, voice, movement together draw on collective resonance. This mutual support fine-tunes each person's or individual's nervous grid through rhythmic alignment and emotional connection, strengthening the grid's natural adaptability.